Hello guys, today I'm going to show you on how to create Dolly Zoom or Vertigo. So this is the clip that is already fast forward because you can see that the car is moving very fast. And then go to the start of the clip, add a keyframe at scale all option here. Let me increase the scale all option to 130% and go all the way to the back of the clip, one frame to the left, and change the scale all option to 100%. Why do we have to choose this? Because this actually is a clip that is moving forward, so we have to zoom out to create a dolly zoom effect. And this is the simplest one to create a dolly zoom. The next one I'm gonna show you is to create an even more dramatic effect. So I've increased 130% to 150. This create a more dramatic dolly zoom effect. Still, this is the simplest way to create a dolly zoom effect. The second way, let me reset everything. Go to crop and go to can burns. You can see there's a green box, so I'm just gonna change the green box to a place that I want it. Yeah, the green says start, so this is where I started in the new clip. Yep. And if you want to create a more fancy effect, you can always change the end box, the red one, to a position that you think is most suitable for your clip. So I'm just gonna change the position of the end box to here. And then create a keyframe, add rotation and scale all. Actually, don't really have to create a keyframe and scale. I'm just gonna scale in a little bit, and then I'm just gonna rotate slightly. Don't rotate over too much because, as you can see, there are black bars at the end of the clip. So I'm just gonna scale in a little bit more and change the position. Yep. And in the middle of the clip, I'm going to change the rotation to another way around. Just now was positive, this time round is negative. And then before the end of the clip, I'm just gonna change back the rotation to 0. So this create a very dynamic moving dolly zoom effect. That's the second way to create. And then let's show you another example. This similarly is moving forward. It's not zooming in, but we have to create a zooming out effect. Similarly, let's use can burns. As you can see, I have to switch these two boxes because just now the inner one is the end, and we want to create a zoom out effect, so have to zoom in at the start. So let me adjust the starting box and the ending box. As you can see, you don't have to overlap this box precisely. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be moving one, so let's click done first. I'm going to show you how later. So let me create a keyframe, add scale all and rotation. Actually, you don't have to create a keyframe at scale. I created it just in case. And yep, I'm going to rotate again in the middle to the negative one, and then at the end I'm going to change the rotation back to 0 degree. Yep, this is a very simple one, and I am not satisfied with this one because, as you know, I have always wanted to create a more fancy effect. So I'm going to create a speed ramp. I'm gonna press R to select a portion of this clip and then go to modify and retime, and then I'm going to select fast forward by 2 times, but actually this clip I have already fast forward, so I'm gonna choose 4 times. Actually, I don't think 4 times is enough, so I'm going to use custom and change the rate to 600%. And then before anything else, I'm going to modify again and go to retime video quality optical flow, and then change the starting part back to 100% and the ending part to 100%, and this create a very cool speed ramp dolly zoom. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys like it, and please subscribe. Bye bye.